Here I'm sharpening a chisel with the DMT DuoSharp blue and green. Those are their coarse and extra fine grits. Then I'll finish up by stropping. This is a method I picked up from Mark Rhodes, a professional woodworker in the UK. I'm just doing a single bevel with the side-to-side motion. I've previously flattened the chisel on a DMT DuoSharp extra course, prepare it, and done a few practice sharpenings this way. Here's a close-up view from the front. As you can see, I'm using my 30-degree sight block to maintain my angle. It does take a little practice not to rock the chisel side to side or up and down to keep the bevel absolutely flat. The scrap of plywood I'm using for my holder here is warped a bit, so it's causing the stone to rock. I do need to correct that. Here's the resultant bevel, just slightly rounded. Since I'm trying to keep it flat, a little practice will take care of that. But as you can see with the paper cut test, it's not a problem. It also cuts nicely on pine end grain, leaving a glassy, smooth surface. So this is another effective sharpening method, fast and efficient. Here in the holder you can see I've made these little finger notches so you can pick up the stones easily and flip them if you want to try the different grits.